Weather Service in Paducah has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northwestern Williamson County, Illinois, northeastern Jackson County, Illinois, until 4:45 p.m. At 4:04 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Murfreesboro, moving east at 10 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and nickel-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Carbondale, Murfreesboro, Carterville, Delaware, Soto, Cambria, Hurst, Bush, and Cole. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:45 p.m. for the following counties in Illinois: Jackson and Williamson.